Tory is a woman of many talents, but organization, well, not one of them.
No.
So when she told us she wanted to renovate her backyard patio, we knew we had to call in someone who knew what they were doing. That's why we got the best of the best designer and DIY expert Lauren Makk to give Tory the perfect backyard makeover. Check it out.
Yes.
Hey TVL Nation, it's another windy day here in Colorado, but come check out my backyard. Come on in, y'all. So, just to start, I want to start being honest. This is the part of my backyard I absolutely love. The flowers, the pop of color, the garden. And this is the part of my backyard I hate. We kind of have a lot of stuff that you kind of want to hide, but I don't know how to do it other than being like, you know? And then over here is like where we're supposed to eat. It's kind of dark, there's no lighting, and we're not sure if this is the right area or orientation to do it in. Lauren Makk is my savior. She is an amazing designer. She's been on all the amazing shows. And what she does is, on a budget, she makes it look exactly how you want it to look somehow while doing DIY it for yourself.
I am here today in Tory's backyard to give her the backyard makeover of her dreams.
Hello! Return of the Makk.
In the house, baby.
Yes.
Girl, this is insane.
I know, good bones, no,
It's
Lauren?
great bones.
Good bones. I just don't have the eye, and I don't know what to do, and I want to live out here. I just don't know how.
My vision is to give Tory a boho chic kind of a vibe, make this whole entire space feel sinuous, feel pulled together, and most importantly, feel like Tory. Today, I called in some extra hands, honey, because it is hot. We don't got a lot of time, and I want to beat the heat and get this makeover finished so we can enjoy it and relax. Okay, we got the space cleared out. There's a lot of things to work with here, right?
A lot of space and a lot of like clearing too. This feels really, really good.
Yeah.
There is something I want to ask you about.
Yes.
I bought this as the viral Walmart planter. I know you guys have seen it, and it makes a solar fountain.
Yes.
Could we resurrect the project?
I love that idea. But Tory, this time, I'm gonna make sure that you do it right.
Excellent.
Okay? This time we're reading the instructions.
Yes.
We are assembling
Plan A,
it,
right.
assembling it the right way,
Plan B.
or even just assembling it all. It wasn't even fully assembled.
No. Fountain. We're gonna cover the electrical box.
You want to roll this down, so you don't want to take all the paper off at one time. You see?
Okay. And I haven't touched it because A, it's electrical, and me and electrical, bad. But also because it's sticky and there's spray paint and messy, and all of that is intimidating me.
That's the first unsightly eyesore. This is the second.
So I've never worked with lattice before, and I have no idea how the end result is supposed to look in your head, but you do. Let us do this together.
Have you ever used spray foam?
I've never used spray foam before, but it did come out looking like lemon curd, so that was delicious. I always have food on my mind.
Oh, take it easy. You just have one job to do, and that is to hold that pole straight.
You think I can do that? I can do that.
You can do that.
In my sleep. I won't be asleep.
So lattice is really affordable. We can find it at any part of your hardware store, and it's just gonna go up
And block.
and block. Load your lip. Have to get your lip loaded, baby.
Cool thing about lattice is there are holes in there, so you can put things in the holes.
At this point, I'm gonna kick you out.
Oh.
Because we're done. Your part of this is done, and now it's time for me to do the makeover part.
Oh, the makeover starts. All right, so I leave and you get in there.
Yes.
All right.
So goodbye.
Bye, guys.
See you soon. Lots of work to do.
Do not go anywhere because the big reveal is coming up right after this. We'll be right back.
Oh my God.
Welcome back. It is the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see what Miss Lauren Makk was able to do with Tory's backyard.
Are you ready to see your new backyard?
Yeah.
Okay.
The makeover.
Open up your eyes.
Oh my God.
Oh. Yeah.
I didn't think it could ever look this good. What an, oh my God. Oh, Mom. Oh, she would love this. Oh. Thank you.
my gosh! Joining us now in studio, please welcome back to DBL, Lauren Makk. You did amazing.
That was really good.
Was there any doubt?
Thank you so much.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh, I'm tearing up.
It was not just a makeover, just a soul makeover. And she's a soul friend. And yeah, I cannot say how touched I was and how thankful.
Okay.
It was such a blessing.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm so sorry I'm gonna have to clown on you.
Please do.
Lauren, what was it like having Tory as a client?
I loved every second of this. Being able to share my gift is such a blessing, you know, and be able to share with my friend, you know, who has had such a really intense year was beautiful, and I love new beginnings. So Tory was a dream client. You know, I feel like I was sent here by Judy herself, honey.
Yeah.
You know, I just do. There were so many
and your grandma
moments.
Jean?
Yeah, exactly. There
There
was
were
just these
butterflies.
moments that we kept experiencing together that just kept reminding me of the purpose of why we're doing this. You know, from surprise accidents that happened that were just touches that Judy would have done. It was just a really special time.
It was.
You did a great job, Lauren. There's so many things I'm impressed with. Covering that box with the brick. Just very simple things that really transformed that yard. But what was your favorite part of this makeover?
You know what? I gotta say, there was nothing that I didn't love. You know, being able to come up with creative solutions to some of Tory's problems and get rid of some unsightly things that were going on in her backyard were great. And you know, all I do on my YouTube channel is really empower people. So watching Tory become empowered, you know, she started out with a broken DIY that she didn't have, hadn't even completed and done right, and then we turned, by the end of the day, she was using power tools, you guys.
I was, yeah.
Like, she was killing it. So just watching her, you know, transform was beautiful.
Yeah, and I told Lauren I had never had guests over, because like I didn't know how to, I was sort
I've
of
been
embarrassed.
to the front of Tory's house.
Yeah, like people have rarely seen it, and she was my first guest, and there was something very special about that. But you have to tell them about the birdhouses.
Oh, the birdhouses.
Tell me about the bird. I've become a bird nerd.
Tory she had these birdhouses, and they were great. They were
I'm
cool
100 years old.
Honey, we stepped her up a notch. 1,000 notches, actually. We've got her a surround sound bird experience. She's got high-tech bird feeders in her backyard that have a YouTube capability on her phone, Bluetooth capability. She can watch her birds from her phone. And she's got 4 bird feeders back there. She's got, I mean, this is top of the line, baby.
Birdfy was unbelievable.
Yeah, my friends at Birdfy,
this is today.
gosh.
Look at that. And then AI tells me, oh, that's a black-headed chickadee.
I need to have this in my life.
Right?
So you get to see the squirrels come
There's
up
a lot of squirrels, and you can hit the button that says siren, and the squirrels go, oh. But they're okay. I don't hit it very much, or a light.
Yeah.
But then the birds come.
But, you know, to be able to watch her birds from her own patio now and just to really experience that, like, she has a whole new hobby. We have a whole new hobby.
Yeah.
But I got to tell you, that was not the only gift I got, Tory. I have to give you one more thing that we didn't put in your
You have more?
I have
Please.
one more gift.
You don't deserve it.
I told you I was sent here by Judy, and
this is...
so I really wanted to add something special. Take a look at the bottom.
Oh my gosh. There's a picture on the back.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
There's a picture on the back. It says, those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very, very dear.
Jeez.
Oh, man.
Come on,
So
Lord. Oh, welcome. You're so welcome. I love you. Thank you for having me. This was a pleasure.
Okay, so we only have a minute left, and I know our viewers are going to want to learn everything from you.
Oh, my God.
So let's say they're overwhelmed.
Yeah.
They want to have the makeover.
Yes.
What advice would you give them? How do they start?
Start with the problem. You know, what's the thing that you want to do, and then how do we solve the solution, like make a solution for it? So our problem with Tory's backyard was just a lot of unsightly stuff. We had a big old brick wall. It wasn't cute. We had all that conduit. It wasn't cute. We had all that big old electrical box. It wasn't cute. So we solved those problems, and then it kind of gave us some direction how to arrange the furniture. And you know what? Take your stuff out of your space, because everybody's trying to like fix the thing that's there. Take it out, reimagine it, move it around, flip flop it. We flip-flopped.
We did. The dining got much more light.
Flip-flop.
Yes.
And we just reimagine your own things. You know, it doesn't take a Makk to do it all. You can do it yourself.
Oh my.
Wow.
And at night it glows
with the Makk.
Yeah. And it's just, you guys, at night it glows, just like
We're going to come over. We're going to see the glow. Big round of applause for Lauren Makk. And your amazing makeover. Thank you, thank you, Thank you. DBL Nation, there's so much more we didn't even have time to get to on the show, so be sure to follow Lauren on Instagram and YouTube at Lauren Makk and check out her Amazon storefront.
This is it, guys.
All the best products she recommends for when you're ready for a makeover of your order.